Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design, and welcome to part 3 of my Aventador wide body series. If you missed part 1 and 2, I have links in the description that you can check out to get caught up on. And if it's your first time to my channel, I'd like to say thanks for watching. If you don't already know, I specialize in automotive renderings and design advising, and my channel is dedicated to showcasing the rendering process of all the projects that I get to work on, whether it's a personal project or a client's project. So hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more. Today I'm continuing the design for the Aventador wide body, working on the rear spoiler, adding a high-rise roof scoop, and starting to lay out the design for the rear bumper and diffuser detail. Like the previous videos, I'm continuing the forged carbon theme and experimenting with the general design while keeping it true to the Lamborghini design language. What's fun about these types of projects is that the design is completely improvised. There's no sketching like I normally would for designing Aero. There's no design brief. I just get into a mode where the ideas are flowing straight out of my brain and into Photoshop, which is always a ton of fun. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this design and what ideas you might like to see. And also like the video if you liked it. I know you want to. I know you want to do it. Just come on, just do it. Just do it! And I'll see you guys at the end of the video. All right, here's the progress from what we started with to where we ended up at the end of this video. So again, subscribe to see the finished product coming very soon. I'm thinking I should be able to finish it up in the next video. I might have to stretch it to maybe 2 more videos, but we'll see. Again, comment for any ideas that you would like to see in this design, and who knows, maybe I'll take it into consideration for the next one. And that's gonna do it for me. My name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design. Thanks again for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch you guys next time.